Sliding table saw MJ45X. Electrically dependent ruler, cancelling the width and adjust the size through the PLC touchscreen. Big slide table size, 3200mm** 435mm, European dust cover. Touchscreen PLC control, easy to operation. The parameters, such as saw blade tilt or cutting width dimension, can be directly input. The saw blade can be lifted and lowered automatically. The saw blade will drop automatically at the end of cutting. The CNC panel saw more accurate. It can improve efficiency, saving cost.